ACCUPLACER Health Professions Exam Prep. Question 1. A health science instructor opens 8 packs of study guides with 12 in each pack and uses 11. How many remain for review? Option A, 96. Option B, 9. Option C, 85. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option C, 85. The total supply is 8 multiplied by 12, and the used amount is then subtracted, leaving 85. The distractors skip the subtraction, add instead of multiply, or subtract before finding the full total. Question 2. A skill checklist has 3/4 of the tasks finished, and 4/5 of those tasks require math review. What fraction of the full checklist needs math review? Option A, 31/20. Option B, 1/20. Option C, 4/3. Option D, 3/5. The correct answer is option D, 3/5. Finding a fraction of a fraction requires multiplication, so 3/4 times 4/5 equals 3/5. The wrong options add, subtract, or combine denominators in ways that do not represent a part of a part. Question 3. Round 4.19 to the nearest tenth for a quick lab estimate entry. Option A, 4.2. Option B, 4.1. Option C, 5. Option D, 4. The correct answer is option A, 4.2. Rounding to the nearest tenth keeps one digit after the decimal and checks the hundredths place, producing 4.2. The incorrect choices truncate, round to a whole number, or leave too many decimal places. Question 4. Convert 37.5% to a decimal for use in a quantitative reasoning calculation. Option A, 37.5. Option B, 0.38. Option C, 3.75. Option D, 0.04. The correct answer is option B, 0.38. A percent is divided by 100 to convert it to decimal form, so 37.5% becomes 0.38. The incorrect choices either leave the percent unchanged, move the decimal one place, or express a different ratio. Question 5. A lab setup uses a ratio of 4 mannequins to 5 students. If the mannequin count is multiplied by 6, how many students match the same ratio? Option A, 24. Option B, 15. Option C, 30. Option D, 11. The correct answer is option C, 30. Equivalent ratios multiply both parts by the same factor, so the student count is 5 times 6 equals 30. The other choices scale the wrong part, add the ratio numbers, or fail to keep the ratio proportional. Question 6. Convert 1.6 liters to milliliters for a measurement comparison. Option A, 160. Option B, 16. Option C, 0. Option D, 1,600. The correct answer is option D, 1,600. Liters convert to milliliters by multiplying by 1,000, so 1.6 L equals 1,600 ml. The incorrect choices use factors of 10 or 100, divide instead of multiply, or add a fixed amount. Question 7. Find x if 4, x 5, equals 8 in a linear equation review item. Option A, 7. Option B, 2. Option C, 12. Option D, 4. The correct answer is option A, 7. Dividing by 4 gives x 5 equals 2, and adding 5 gives x equals 7. The distractors stop after division, add too early, or confuse the product with the unknown. Question 8. A study station uses 14 math cards and 16 reading cards per table. How many cards are needed for 4 tables? Option A, 34. Option B, 120. Option C, 896. Option D, 72. The correct answer is option B, 120. The cards per table are added first and then multiplied by the number of tables, producing 120. The incorrect answers add the table count, multiply the 2 card categories together, or scale only one category. Question 9. A chart lists 4 weekly question counts, 8, 12, 16, and 20. What is the total count? Option A, 14. Option B, 12. Option C, 56. Option D, 60. The correct answer is option C, 56. The total is found by adding all four counts, producing 56. The incorrect answers calculate the average, range, median, or add an extra interval. Question 10. A bin contains 5 red, 7 blue, and 4 green practice tokens. What is the probability of selecting green? Option A, 5/16. Option B, 7/16. Option C, 1/3. Option D, 1/4. The correct answer is option D, 1/4. The favorable outcomes are the 4 green tokens out of 16 total tokens, so the probability is 1/4. The other choices use the wrong color count, leave out part of the total, or invert the fraction. Question 11. In the model y equals 6x plus 4, what value represents the y-intercept? Option A, 4. Option B, 6. Option C, 10. Option D, 24. The correct answer is option A, 4. In slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, the constant b is the y-intercept, so the value is 4. The other choices confuse the intercept with slope, combine the two values, or change the sign without reason. Question 12. Calculate the perimeter of a rectangular simulation mat with length 10 feet and width 7 feet. Option A, 70. Option B, 34. Option C, 17. Option D, 27. The correct answer is option B, 34. Perimeter adds all sides, so 2, 10 plus 7, equals 34 feet. The distractors calculate area, add only 2 sides, double only one dimension, or add an extra amount. Question 13. Select the best central idea of this statement. Short daily review sessions can build stronger retention than occasional long cramming sessions. Option A. Testing should be avoided whenever possible. Option B. Only memorization matters in health programs. Option C. Consistent review is usually better than last-minute cramming. Option D. Long study sessions always produce the best results. The correct answer is option C. Consistent review is usually better than last-minute cramming. The central idea should summarize the whole statement without adding a new claim or narrowing the focus too much. The other choices either contradict the statement, exaggerate one detail, or introduce an idea that the sentence does not support. Question 14. Infer the most reasonable conclusion from this note. The practice schedule moved from 1 long weekend session to 4 shorter weekday sessions. Option A. The note proves the student has already mastered every topic. Option B. The note rejects the value of organized review. Option C. The note focuses only on memorizing answer letters. Option D. The schedule now emphasizes spaced practice. The correct answer is option D. The schedule now emphasizes spaced practice. A reasonable inference must follow from the information given without stretching beyond it. The incorrect options are too absolute, contradict the note, or claim details that are not stated. Question 15. In an academic sentence about health program readiness, what does the word subsequent most nearly mean? Option A. Coming after something else. Option B. Happening before all events. Option C. Equal in size. Option D. Unrelated to sequence. The correct answer is option A. Coming after something else. The word subsequent is used in academic contexts to mean coming after something else. The other choices describe unrelated actions, opposite meanings, or features of writing that do not match the term. Question 16. Why would a writer likely compares 2 study plans before recommending one? Option A. To distract readers from the main claim. Option B. To show why one approach is more effective than another. Option C. To remove the need for supporting evidence. Option D. To make the paragraph less organized. The correct answer is option B. To show why one approach is more effective than another. A rhetorical choice should help the writer develop meaning, guide the reader, or support a claim. The incorrect options describe weak writing moves that would reduce clarity or relevance. Question 17. Combine these two ideas most accurately. Charts summarize data visually, and statistics describe patterns in data. Option A. Only the first idea matters for test preparation. Option B. The two ideas contradict each other completely. Option C. Data skills include interpreting both charts and statistical summaries. Option D. Neither idea can be used in academic preparation. The correct answer is option C. Data skills include interpreting both charts and statistical summaries. A synthesis should preserve both ideas and show the relationship between them. The incorrect choices ignore one idea, invent a contradiction, or draw an unsupported extreme conclusion. Question 18. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement for review set 3. Option A. Neither the advisor nor the students is available afternoon. Option B. Neither the advisor nor the students be available afternoon. Option C. Neither the advisor nor the students was available afternoon. Option D. Neither the advisor nor the students are available afternoon. The correct answer is option D. Neither the advisor nor the students are available afternoon. The verb must agree with the true subject, not with a nearby prepositional phrase or distracting noun. The incorrect choices use a verb form that does not match the subject or create an incomplete sentence. Question 19. Select the sentence with the clearest punctuation for review set 3. Option A. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option B. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option C. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option D. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. The correct answer is option A. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Correct punctuation shows how ideas are connected and prevents sentence confusion. The incorrect choices omit needed commas, misuse punctuation between clauses, or place punctuation where it interrupts the sentence. Question 20. Pick the sentence that uses Standard English correctly for review set 3. Option A. Less errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option B. Fewer errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option C. Fewer error appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option D. Less error appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. The correct answer is option B. Fewer errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Standard usage requires correct pronoun case, verb form, and count word agreement. The incorrect choices use non-standard pronouns, mismatched verbs, or less/fewer incorrectly. Question 21. Choose the best transition for the blank. The paragraph explains the scoring range first. Blank. It describes how students can use score bands for planning. Option A. Nevertheless. Option B. In contrast. Option C. Next. Option D. Despite this. The correct answer is option C. Next. The transition must match the logical relationship between the ideas, such as contrast, sequence, or cause and effect. The other choices signal relationships that do not fit the sentence. Question 22. Choose the most concise revision of this sentence. The instructor made a recommendation that students should review the explanations for review set 3. Option A. The instructor made a recommendation review of explanations. Option B. Students were recommended by the instructor in a reviewing way. Option C. The explanations, by recommendation, were reviewed by students. Option D. The instructor recommended that students review the explanations. The correct answer is option D. The instructor recommended that students review the explanations. A concise revision removes unnecessary words while preserving the original meaning. The incorrect choices are awkward, wordy, grammatically flawed, or less clear than the original. Question 23. Using common medical word parts, what does hyperglycemia most likely mean? Option A. High blood sugar. Option B. Low blood pressure. Option C. Inflammation of a joint. Option D. Slow heart rate. The correct answer is option A, high blood sugar. The word parts in hyperglycemia point to high blood sugar. The other choices use different roots, prefixes, or suffix meanings and do not match the term. Question 24. Select the structure that carries impulses away from a neuron's cell body. Option A, alveolus. Option B, axon. Option C, tendon. Option D, capillary. The correct answer is option B, axon. An axon carries nerve impulses away from the neuron cell body. Alveoli are air sacs, tendons connect muscle to bone, and capillaries are tiny blood vessels. Question 25. In a controlled experiment, why is a control group useful? Option A. It guarantees the hypothesis is true. Option B. It removes the need for measurements. Option C. It provides a comparison for the experimental group. Option D. It changes every variable at once. The correct answer is option C. It provides a comparison for the experimental group. A control group helps show whether the tested variable made a difference. It does not prove the hypothesis automatically, replace data collection, or change multiple variables.